Understanding your target demographic is crucial for successful marketing. Analyze demographics like age, gender, income, and geography, along with psychographics such as hobbies, values, and lifestyle. This helps create campaigns that resonate deeply with your audience, ensuring more personalized and impactful marketing initiatives. Set clear marketing goals using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of increase sales, aim to increase online sales by 20% within 6 months. Break down these goals into smaller objectives to track progress and focus efforts effectively. Conduct a competitive analysis to understand your market landscape. Analyze competitors' strengths, weaknesses, strategies, and positioning. This helps identify what works in the industry and where there are opportunities for growth. Adjust your marketing plan proactively to maintain a competitive edge and develop unique selling propositions. Research your target audience's demographics, behaviors, and preferences. Set SMART goals. Conduct competitive analysis to identify strengths and weaknesses. Develop a unique selling proposition that differentiates your brand. Choose marketing channels where your audience is most active. This approach ensures efficient resource allocation and higher chances of meeting marketing objectives.